Hello guys, welcome back to TEG. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn basic logic behind an AND gate, simulate it on every circuit app, and after that, build the actual circuit on a breadboard using diodes. So without any ado, let's get started. This is the logic symbol of an AND gate. This is its truth table, and this is the circuit. Now, we'll build in this video tutorial. We'll build the AND gate using diodes. So you can say it is a DTL circuit. Now here A, B are inputs and Y is output. Y naught is output. If input, if either of the input is 0, then you'll always get 0. If both are 1 only, then you will get 1. You can see for 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, now working. As I told you in earlier video, in the case of OR gate, if I give if its P terminal, diode's P terminal is positive, then that means it will act as a short. If it's 0 volt, then that means it will act as an open. So if I give 0 0 to both the diodes, that means this will act as a short because the P terminal is at higher voltages, whereas its N terminal is at lower voltage. So what will happen if both are 0 0? That means all the current will flow from here to here because they both are acting as short. So current will go from here to A and from here to B, and no current will go through Y naught to the ground. So I'll get 0 voltage here. That means I'll get 0 output. For 0 0 I'm getting 0 output. For 0 0 I'm getting 0. If I give 0 1, that means A terminal, N terminal of D1 is 0 and B terminal of 0 is 1. Now this is 0. Again, P terminal is at higher voltage than N terminal, so it is a short. So all the current will go from here to ground. Whereas in this condition it is open, but all current will go from D1 to A and no current will go through Y naught to ground. So again I'm getting 0 voltage across Y naught. If I give 1 0, same thing will happen. For 1 0, this will act as short, this will open, but even then all the current will flow from here to B terminal and we'll get 0 voltage here. In the case of case when the inputs are both 1 1, then what will happen? If I'll give 1 1, that means this acts as an open, this also acts as an open circuit. So if they both are open, that means no current can flow there because we have open circuit here. So all the current will go from through R, then through Y naught, and then to ground. That means I'm getting some voltage here. So my LED will be on in this condition. So for 1 1 I'm getting 1. To simulate AND gate, first select two diodes. 1 2. Place them like this. Connect their P terminals together. Then select a resistor. Connect resistor here. Change its value to 100 ohm. Now select DC source. Invert it and connect positive terminal to resistor, negative to ground. Now you have to select logic. This here are two logics. Connect one to A terminal and other to B terminal. Done. Now select LED here. Connect your LED to output. This is your output terminal, and connect its negative terminal to the ground. Now change the value of voltage source to 5 volt. Now we can see that the input A and B are given 0 logic. Click play button. For 0 0 we are getting 0 output. Now for 0 1 again 0. Now for 1 0 again 0, and for 1 1 we are getting output 1, that means logic 1. So you can check it from the truth table of an AND gate. Since for this circuit I need two diodes, so I've used here two 1N4007 diode. This is their N terminal, that means silver one, and this here is your is P terminal, black one. So from the circuit, as you can see, I'll give logic to their N terminals. That means I'll give logic here and here. Now here I used red jumper wires to give logic. This is A terminal and this is B terminal. Okay. Now their P terminals are shorted together. So that means I should connect them both, their P terminals, through a wire. Okay. Then now here a resistor is connected and then the battery. So I'll use a resistor of 100 kilo ohm. Is this, and I'll connect it here directly to its positive terminal. I'll connect a 9 volt battery here. I'll connect its positive terminal here, its negative terminal here. Okay. Initially I'll give 0 0 logic. That means both are connected here, both A and B are connected here to to negative terminal of the battery. Now to see output, I'll connect an LED from this terminal to directly ground. That means from their P terminal, which is this one, to ground, which is this complete one from here to here directly to ground. So here it's all. Now since I've given 0 0 logic for AND gate, 0 0 gives 0, 0 0 gives 0, and I'm getting 0 as output. If I give 0 1, that means if A, this one is given 0, and B, this one is given 1, I should again get 0. Let's see. Okay, so 0 1, I'm getting 0. If I give 1 0, that means A is given 1 and B is given 0. That means I've connected it to 1 and B I'll connect it to 0. I should again get 0 with 0. But if I give both 1 1, that means if I connect both to 1 1, I should get 1. You can see here. So for 1 1, I'm getting 1. Now in this condition, when both A and B are connected nowhere, that means I've given no logic to their N terminals. That means I've connected nothing to their N terminals. So which means here, see here, I've connected nothing here. That means this these diode act like an open switch. That means both are open. Nothing. There's no wire here. There's an open circuit here, and there's an open circuit here. So what will happen? All current will go from here to here. That's why our LED is on when nothing is connected. If no logic is given. This is again the circuit. The N terminal of both diodes are given logics, where their P terminals are shorted, and then from P terminal a resistor of 100 ohm is directly connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the and from the P terminal LED is directly connected to ground.